What is head and shoulder? Head and shoulder comes at the end of a bull trend. So basically the buyers in control, they are going up, 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 then they come to a correction, then they go back up, push it up, further up, and they make the head. And the first one was the left shoulder. They start coming back down, they come down like this, then they try again, but they fail. See, they come back down here. Once they come back down like this, we see we have two lows right there. We connect those two lows with a line, connect them like this. And this is called the neckline. Once this neckline is broken, this initiates a sell to the downside. Okay, so basically we will have a sell to continue all the way down here. What's your target? How much it could fall? We measure this distance from this point all the way down to here. Then we take this and we paste it down here. Okay, and that's your target. This distance between the neckline and the top head right here. This is a reversal pattern.